Hey guys, today I want to show you quickly how to create Equity Bank online. So first, head over to Google and type Equity Bank Create Account. Click on the first search that appears to you. Here you are, the official website of Equity Bank. And just head over to Current Account here. Click on Find Out More. Now fill in your information regarding your bank account. First, name your phone number, your Equity Bank account. Choose your email, your last name, your referral code, and your query. And when you finish submitting all your Equity account information, just click on Submit button here. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.